If you're in e-commerce, you've probably heard of Selvia, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's just another dropshipping supplier, but Selvia is a full-service platform that combines US-based warehousing, fast shipping, and automated order fulfillment. Here's how it works. Selvia stocks products in the US, which means faster delivery compared to overseas suppliers. You can choose trending products directly from their catalog and import them into your Shopify or WooCommerce store in one click. Orders are automatically fulfilled, reducing manual work. A standout feature is the shipping speed. Most Selvia orders arrive in 1-3 business days within the US, which is much faster than traditional dropshipping. This improves customer satisfaction and reduces refund requests. Additionally, Selvia offers ready-to-use product descriptions and images, saving time on listing creation. The downside is that product selection is smaller compared to global suppliers, and prices may be slightly higher. However, the trade-off is faster shipping and higher customer trust, which can improve conversion rates. Selvia is best for sellers who want reliability, speed, and a US-based fulfillment advantage. In conclusion, Selvia is a strong option for dropshippers looking for a streamlined, fast, and reliable fulfillment solution. If you prioritize speed, quality, and automation over sheer product quantity, Selvia is worth trying. If this review helped you, subscribe for more honest e-commerce platform reviews to grow your online business successfully.